Keep them moving steady.
Watch the gap on the right.
Clear the ramp, next one coming down.
Ensure the intake levels are logged correctly for this group. Yes, already mark down the supplement levels. Heart rate is strong and steady, respiration clear. No abnormalities detected on the hide.
The finish on this section is perfect.
Agreed. We can continue the run.
Keep an eye on that gauge reading. Look steady after the adjustment. The coverage is spot on. Check the dimensions on these briefcase sections against the template. They look accurate. No issues with the edges either.
Final check complete on this one. It's ready for the production section.
All right, I'll take it from here.
Check the alignment on this one, Priya.
It looks perfect, right on the mark.
Make sure the locking mechanism is smooth on this one.
Checked, rolls perfectly straight.
The leather quality and stitching are flawless. Hardware alignment is perfect. This one is approved for the presentation area.